Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. Today I'm going to be guiding you through how to upload a video on YouTube. First of all, open up your YouTube application on your mobile device, or you may also go to youtube.com in your browser and sign in. After you're signed into your account, go ahead and tap on the plus icon at the bottom of the screen. Now, click on video option from the bottom menu. Allow access to your device's camera, and then once you are done, from the video list on your device, go ahead and select the video you would like to upload on YouTube. Now, choose the part of the video you'd like to use. You can make the video longer or shorter by dragging the bar on the left or right corner. Now click the next button at the bottom right. Now in this page, you can go ahead and add text, filters, generate caption, add stickers, and so on. You can also add sound by tapping the Add Sound button at the top of the screen and selecting a sound you'd like to add from different categories. After you like the sound, simply tap on it. You can also select a song to preview it first, and once you add it, you can then tap on the next button at the bottom right. Now on the next page, you can go ahead and add in your caption. Choose your audience setting by tapping Visibility and selecting your audiences. You can make the video public right away, mark it as unlisted, or keep it private. After making a selection, you can get back, and then you can also add other options such as location, if the video is made for kids or not, select if you'd like to turn on comments for the video or not, and once you are done with all of the selections, tap on the upload button at the bottom of the screen. And that way, you will be able to upload a video on your YouTube account. After you do that, your video will be public or scheduled on YouTube. Share it with your friends, post it on social media, or promote it using hashtags and engaging titles. That is how you can easily add a video on YouTube. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.